Hello, this is TheCompsGuy. I'm coming at you with another video. I'm going to be doing some Popslots. I just finished playing Foo Stacks in the New York casino. There's 4 games in this casino. I think these games are pretty fun. I'm actually opening my Konami. I don't know why I clicked on my Konami. My apologies. I think it's because there was a notification there. It's out of just kind of habit. Anyway, thank you everyone who's been just kind of watching my channel. Basically, my channel, if you haven't been here before, kind of specializes on trying to help people plan their vacations, how to maximize and kind of have a fun Vegas vacation where you're not spending an arm and a leg. Because some people will spend thousands of dollars without gambling in Vegas. And I'm not saying you have to gamble really either. There's things like MyVegas and other things where you can get good deals Groupon. So I might do some deals off Groupon, some of the best ones, as stuff starts to reopen. I'm already here. And I think it's important to help people with this because a lot of first timers will, I think, be duped into staying at certain places because they're like, oh, this might be the only trip I take in the next 5 or 10 years. I'm going to stay at X casino or hotel. Let's do Fire and Lightning. I think they retreaded this one. This one was, I believe, in Mandalay Bay before. But I'll play on this casino because it is here. Let's go to 8.5. Let's bet here. Let's go normal. So I'm just gonna kind of let this go. You get these bonuses, and they get put into this little, meter thing up here. And once someone triggers it, you basically go through, and there's multipliers. Also, you can get these little fireballs. And it's basically like a Electrolink feature, but it's with fire. It's more like a Lava Link, Electrolink type deal, though. But your main feature is that. I'm actually pretty excited overall about this channel and about how things are going, how things have kind of unraveled over the last about two months. I just got a storm boost, whatever that is. This one might be a little bit different. Because I think Fire and Lightning was it almost looks exactly the same. But maybe there's a new addition in the game itself. But I am grateful, when you get 3, I think if someone gets 3 of those bonuses, that's what triggers it. I always try to play on them when they're full, but if I'm recording a video, I don't have much of a choice. Sometimes if it's empty, it's empty. So I try to get on and record times where they're obviously busy. So I am going to start another series. I'm going to announce it next Monday. I'm going to go through this weekend, try to finish putting it together, and start recording some videos. I think it's going to be one of my more favorite series to do, just because I think it's very helpful for people who want to gamble but don't want to lose their money. Always expect to lose some money. I'm not going to guarantee in this series that you'll win millions of dollars, but tips and tricks and different things. It'll be a fun series. I think it might be 2 to 3 videos. I think people will like it, and I'm hoping they respond to it. Lava Link, sweet. I think they'll respond to it well, or at least I'm hoping they do. It seems that the room reviews really get a lot, and the tips and tricks videos get a lot of attention to them. So I'm hoping it gets some traction. If it doesn't, then oh well. And then maybe through time people might like it or not. I do want to switch things up from, pop slots here and there. Let's get this last one. I should have 3 spins. Hopefully it's one of the high ones. Alright, so Nothing there. I just saw the XP there. Nothing there. All right. Still not bad. I mean, that's going to be 45, 45, 25. It's going to be over 100 mil. Can't complain. Almost 200 mil. So, I mean, obviously, like, if I was to get one like that in the casino where it was like, what is that? I'm betting. I'm trying to think. I'm betting what, like 9.5 or 8.5? No, something that massive. 8.5. I mean, that's like what, 200 times my bet or 20 times my bet. I don't know. Either way, a win that big, I'd be like jumping up and down, be super excited. That'd be like a hand pay equivalent, probably. You know, I know sometimes I talk and I get boring or I rattle on, but not bad. So I'm guessing these fireballs go into that little storm meter. That's neat. I am getting quite a bit of loyalty coins back. I think we aren't that close to getting that bonus. I don't want to say we won't, but I just think we're not gonna. Jackpot storm. I don't know what that means. I think I should have read the rules, but I think I know what it means. I think if you get multiple ones, you get an additional little bonus on top. Not bad, not bad. I feel like this game does pay back relatively well. I mean, you let me know, like, if you guys have played this one in this specific, in New York, let me know how it pays back for you. If you've played it and it's been good to you. I feel like this one's been decent. I mean, these are all streaky, obviously. All right, I think I'm going to call it quits after 3 more spins. 2 more. That was weird. Oh, good. Alright. That would have been great if it was a lava link. Alright, that's the last one. Alright, thank you guys. I'm the Comps Guy. Thank you for watching my videos, liking, subscribing. You know, give me all kinds of love. It means a lot. I'm also, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments about, you're planning a trip. If you kind of want a quick down low on a hotel. I've stayed based at every MGM property except for New York. So I can give you an honest review. I know there's a lot of review sites out there as well. So I'm the Comps Guy. I'm getting you Vegas faster and cheaper. So have a nice day.